Hi there! Today we're going to dive into a digital communication tool we all use every day, email, also known as electronic mail. How does an email get from your inbox to someone else's? We'll break it down with simple examples to help you understand the process. Let's start with an email server. Think of an email server as the post office of the digital world. Just like the post office handles the sorting and delivery of physical mail, an email server is responsible for receiving, storing, and sending emails to the correct destination. When you send an email, it doesn't go directly to the recipient. Instead, it first goes to an email server, which decides where to send it next. There are two main types of email servers involved in this process: the SMTP server, which handles outgoing emails, and the IMAP or POP3 server, which handles incoming emails. Now, let's walk through how an email gets sent using an example from daily life. Imagine you're sending a letter to a friend. First, you write the letter, then put it in an envelope, address it, and drop it off at the post office. The post office takes care of the rest, ensuring your letter reaches your friend's mailbox. Sending an email works in a similar way. When you hit send on your email client like Gmail or Outlook takes your message, packages it up, and sends it to an SMTP server. The SMTP server looks at the email's destination address and figures out the best route to get it to the recipient's email server. This is like your letter traveling from your local post office to your friend's local post office. Depending on where the recipient is located, your letter might pass through different sorting facilities before reaching your friend's local post office, similar to how an email might pass through several other servers along the way. Ultimately, your email arrives at your friend's email server, which is like their local post office. This server stores the email until the recipient checks their inbox. When they do, the email is delivered to their email client, ready to be read, just like your friend receiving your letter in their mailbox. And that's how an email gets from your inbox to someone else's. It's all thanks to the digital post office or email servers that work behind the scenes to make sure your message reaches the right person. What's your preferred email client? Is it Gmail, Outlook, or something else? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please press like and share it with your friends who might also be curious about how an email travels from one inbox to another. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more bite-sized learning on Digital Tech 101 at your fingertips. See you in my next video to learn more about the exciting world of technology.